In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Adobe Acrobat digital signature. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, reusable signature in Adobe Acrobat and place it on a PDF with confidence. Start by going to Adobe Acrobat. Open the Acrobat application on your computer or access it through the official Acrobat experience in your browser if that's what you use. Make sure you're on the home screen so everything looks familiar and the main navigation is visible. If you see a prompt to update or sign in, go ahead and complete that so all tools are available to you. From the home display, select Tools. The Tools view is your control center for everything Acrobat can do. It shows categories like Edit, Organize, and the one we care about today, eSign. If you don't see tools at first glance, look near the top or left side of the interface for a tab or button labeled Tools, then click it to expand the full grid of features. Head to eSign. This area is designed specifically for signing workflows. It typically includes options for adding your own signature as well as requesting signatures from others. For what we're doing, we're focusing on preparing your personal signature so you can apply it to any document quickly. Select Make a Signature, then select the file and add yours. Choose the option that lets you create a new signature, often labeled Add Signature or similar. You'll usually see three choices: Type, Draw, or Image. Type lets you enter your name and pick a style. Draw lets you sign with a mouse, trackpad, or stylus. And Image lets you upload a clear photo or scan of your handwritten signature. Pick the method that gives you the most legible result. A quick tip: if you're using an image, capture it on plain white paper in good light so the background stays clean. When prompted, save the signature for reuse so you won't have to recreate it later. Now select the PDF you want to sign. Open it in Acrobat, then look for the signing controls. Click the sign icon, choose your saved signature, and click where you want it to appear on the page. You can drag to reposition and use the corner handles to resize it without distorting the look. Place it neatly within any designated signature box if the form provides one. When you're satisfied, save the document to preserve your changes. For safety and traceability, consider saving a copy with a new file name. And that's it. You went to Acrobat, opened Tools, headed to eSign, made your signature, then selected your file and added it. You're ready to sign PDFs quickly and professionally.